Good morning, peeps! We are still in Puerto Rico, and today we are joining a tour going to a tropical rainforest and to a beach. And as usual, I'll take you with us.
¿Cuántas personas faltan?
Dos personas nomás. Going on river section. Now on that river section, if anybody wants to get some swimming done, that's the location. Water slide. Now the water slide, it may look a little bit scary, but please keep an open mind. It's a lot of fun. Okay, it's a lot easy. It's a lot smoother.
Excuse me, sir. We got two people still.
You got a medium on the back.
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
Going on a hike, but on a paved road. A real hike to do.
Yeah? Do you want to get something? Maybe yeah, two different parts.
We're in the forest.
Oh yeah, they are. They're like
Oh, look at this wild bird of paradise.
birds of
It's a wild bird of paradise. And the goal is going to the river. Tabi-tabi po. Oops. We've arrived. So this is it. There's a lot of like this kind of place in the Philippines. So this is nothing new.
No, I usually go barefoot, but today I forgot everything, so I just didn't. I'm not getting in. Forgot my bathing suit, my towel. I forgot everything.
Everybody give it up for the sexy tour.
Hola, papi. And you can go with your shoes on if you want.
Yeah.
It's up to you. I like barefoot because that's me. But you go, you go ahead. You do you.
That's what I'm excited for.
Then I'll sneak up. How should I, if I want to come back up here? Where should I come up here? Come up this way?
Like if we jump in, they're gonna.
No, they're gonna disappear. They're gonna disappear.
It's awesome.
No, that hurts. It hurts.
They're gonna be called barrigones. They're not good for eating. They have too many spines. So they do only the
We're back at the parking lot and we're going to another location.
Look guys, y'all want to see the dreadlocks?
Oh yeah. What's his name?
Her name's Susie.
Oh, her name. Hey, Susie.
She's a little girl.
Oh yeah, she's a girl. I see that.
By the front they have a higher 3.8 trees. Everybody, let's watch our step going down here. It's a little bit slippery. Let me go first. Oh shit.
It's a natural slide.
Go, madami. Yay!
Oh my god!
Ay, naka-off.
Alright, coming back up. That's it for us. The slide is a one-time thing. I didn't swim in the river because I don't really want to, but I just have to try the slide. It was a lot of fun, nerve-wracking, but once is enough. Limber. So this is guava limber, and this is that's passion fruit limber.
Thank you.
In Pilipinas, it's called ice candy. So you push it like this, and you eat it. Just like ice candy. The beach. We're going there. This is Liquillo Beach. this. Next real beach we will have, we're probably in Pilipinas, in the Philippines. We don't know when. Oh, we'll miss the beach. A lot more people here. Party's here. Oh, look. OMG. Wow. Helados.
Ese coco. Y Juan le dice, ¿eso tú no lo compraste aquí?
Ah, di
¿Cómo tú no
ako?
sabes que no lo compré aquí? Ah, por el boquete que tiene de lado. Yo no lo abro así.
Oh, there are vendors. Look.
I don't know. They went for some. Oh, yeah. Parang inatak ng